We closed our XRP trade still in great profits over 100%. We made it here. Also, when we have a direct look in the chart, I shared this trade yesterday in our Telegram group. So if you didn't join the Telegram group, just click the link down below in the video description. There I shared this trade setup, even also the Solana trade setup. Both are running in profit. I already closed my complete XRP position because we saw now running here in kind of resistance. We booked the profits on exit 1 and also on exit 2. So congratulations on all who took this trade. Also, when we're going to our Solana position before we go in the Bitcoin, there we can see that our trade here is running still in profit. Here is this exactly this scenario what I mentioned in the video yesterday, that we can see a proper rejection over this level here at 146 US dollars, came maybe like a little bit down. So the 4-hourly chart is already pointing like this. So if you want to re-enter or you missed the trade, keep waiting for the next retest of 144 US dollars. There you can re-enter the trade. Otherwise, keep waiting till we break here 148 US dollars, because latest there we can see a proper retest. So it could be also be already that we are retesting this and going to the upside, but we have be here very careful that we are not coming back down to 144 US dollars. So keep this also in mind. But when we are going now to the Bitcoin, to the weekly chart, we are looking here an extremely bullish pattern. So we are here on the way to breaking out of our, and the price target on the conservative way would be 130,000 US dollars if we treat it like a more risk one. Then we have 144,000 US dollars. So here is very, very important what we're seeing now in the next the next few days or the next few hours. So tomorrow we have the weekly close. If we close the weekly candle outside of our resistance level over there, we will definitely expect a move way over or to the next all-time high. When we're going here in the daily chart, we can see now that we are fighting now, especially here with the resistance level. We came up there, get something like a retest, something like a retest over there. So it could be also the possibility, because when we're getting to the liquidation heat map, that we can see a final move to the downside before we get this one. Let's go for the 1 hourly, for the 1 monthly chart. There we see that we have cleared all the liquidity down below, just building up some liquidities over there. And when we're going to the 3 daily chart, we can see that the next big major liquidity is sitting at 106,000 US dollars and above at 108,000 US dollars. So here at 106,000 US dollars, this is also a kind of area you should definitely place some limits orders. When we're going here in the chart, let me mark this out for you. The next trade setup would be 106,000 US dollars. Let's go here for the 1 hourly chart. Would be kinda here, 106,100, and the stop loss around 105,900. And then we can trade this first of all to 108,000. But if we break it and get a retest, like we saw it already here, that we get a rejection there. If we get a retest over there, we can run this trade all the way, to our price target, what I told you before. But for this reason, definitely pull your stop loss when we are reaching like the same level again to break even, to protect your risk. But this is definitely the next trade go you can go definitely with the next trade here. I will also post this later in the Telegram group, the next trade setup. So if you also want to join this Telegram group, just go in the video description. There you find a link directly here to the Telegram group. There I will also share later on The trade setup here you see when you're scrolling a little bit up, there you see I posted a lot of trades already there. So definitely make part of this. And to be honest, that's yeah, mostly all from the video today, because we don't need to talk about some other coins. Just a quick overview about our XRP trade, or about our Solana trade, and also about your next Bitcoin position, where you can yeah, position yourself here for the next trade setup to the upside.